Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to prepare a simple uh, vegetable curry. First I am going to put some 100 ml vegetable oil. Because I have chopped about half a kg of vegetables, that includes potato, beans, green peas, tomato, onion, carrots and green chili. Wait for 2 minutes to oil to be heated. Then you put some half a tablespoon of jeera, half a tablespoon of black pepper, some 4 or 5 lavanga, then oil is heated I think, so I am going to put onion, 3 medium size onions. Let onion to be fried for about 3 minutes on high flame, because that onion smell should go off and onion should turn into golden brown in color. slitted green chili, 6 numbers, 6 to 7 in numbers. Now I am going to put ginger garlic paste, 2 small sachets. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. The raw smell will go off. Now I am going to put 4 medium sized tomatoes chopped finely. And a small sachet of garam masala, and a small sachet. These sachets are available in every grocery shop and or chicken shop. Here, so you can find 5 rupees sachet. And I am putting 1 sachet of chicken masala. You can also put sambar masala also. I am putting chicken masala. Doesn't make any difference. And also I am going to put 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon of sambar masala, which we use it for everyday sambar. So put little bit of water so that this masala should not go to the bottom and stuck there. Put salt now itself so that all the vegetables will get the salt. So you can put less amount now, and afterwards in the end, after tasting the curry, you can put more salt if you like. Put it into low flame and let this tomato and other the masala mixture cook for about 3 minutes. Just put a lid on it, wait for 3 minutes. Now 3 minutes over. You can see that all tomato, onion, green chili and the masala become paste like ingredient. So this is the right time to put the vegetables. Today what I have is little green peas, the French beans, chopped aloo, 4 medium size, and 1 carrot. You can see. Now I am putting it. Now increase the flame. So that vegetables can get cooked fast. So put little bit of water, say 300 gram. I am putting this cup. I am putting 2 cups of water. Maybe around 350-400 gram. Immerse all the vegetables into water so that they can get cooked. Cook it in high flame for say 15 minutes. Every 5 minutes just stir it a bit so that it will not go down on the bottom and settle down. Okay, so heat is evenly distributed, and end of 15 minutes, after 3 or 4 boiling, we just add salt according to your taste and water if you need a more gravy like. So you can add water and salt. Let it, put it in sim, let it boil for say another 5 to 6 minutes. Then your vegetable curry is done. Okay, friends. Okay, that's it for today. I will share you in another video how this curry tasted and other comments. Please do share and like my video. Support me. Bye bye from Srinivas. Hi friends. See, vegetable curry is boiling. It's already 15 minutes now. I have just tasted it. Looks good for salt. I'm not going to add any more salt. So because I have added salt to my rice, so that I'm not going to add any more salt. So if you need, you may add water or salt according to your taste. Another 5 minutes, curry is ready. Okay friends, thank you. Friends, the vegetable curry is ready. You can see hot vegetable curry with rice. Very yummy. Superb. You also try. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, Srinivas.